To access the research indexing and abstracting system, log in using your student portal credentials. After logging in, you will see 3 different tabs. The Researches tab contains the bookmarking feature, allowing students to save relevant studies for future reference. Instead of searching repeatedly, they can simply bookmark research papers. Students can also create a new collection to organize bookmark studies. These collections will be displayed on the dashboard in a structured manner. If they wish to move a study to a different collection, they can remove it from the current one and either create or select another collection. A label indicating the bookmark study will also be displayed. My Research tab contains all research-related information. Once students have completed their final defense, they are required to enter their study details. To add research details, simply click the Add Research button. Researchers must provide the following details: research type, title, authors, advisors, panel members. Multiple panelists can be added, place, publisher, and number of pages. The abstract and extended abstract sections include formatting options that allow you to change the heading level, apply italic or bold styles, and use bullet points. For keywords, students can select relevant terms based on their research study. For references, there are 2 options. The first type is the inside reference, where research studies are stored in the Research Indexing and Abstract System database and can be located by searching for the study's name. The second type is the outside reference, which includes online research papers, books, or articles. The researcher must specify the reference type and provide the required details. Once all research details are entered, click the Submit button. The research will then be reviewed by the assigned advisor, and the status will be updated to either approved or returned based on the evaluation.